Hello lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. Last week I won giveaway from Hazel Ure. So let's open it and see what I got. Wow, oh my god. I got a lot of stuff. So many goodies. Wow, look at this colorful gems. I have these gems. So beautiful, I like it. It's very super beautiful. I really love it. Thank you very much Hazel for making and sending me. I'm very happy. Very beautiful handmade clips. Looks very pretty. Thank you Hazel once again for your time. I really appreciate for sending me all the goodies. I'm very happy and my daughter also liked it. So let me see what else we have. Stylus gel pens. Let me open and show you. I got this mermaid pen, very beautiful. Let me open and show you how it looks. It's very pretty. I love the color. This is my one of favorite color. Thank you Hazel once again. These chart stickers looks very beautiful and it gives a lot of noise when you shake it. I love this. Look at that glittery gel inside, you can see when you move it. And I got this autocollants like hot air balloon, helicopter, pirate boat, so many. And this card is made by Hazel Ure. Wonderful, very pretty Hazel. Thank you once again. She sent a letter and she sent a wonderful letter. Hello lovely friend, thanks very much for participating in my loaded DT giveaway. You are the lucky winner. Yeah, congratulations and don't forget to stay tuned cause more giveaways are coming. Enjoy all the goodies you got. Once again, thank you very much for supporting and visiting. Thanks with love, Hazel Ure. And this is false stickers and you can also use glue. Very beautiful, I like it. And we got some flower bouquets. Super looking, very pretty and beautiful flower bouquets. And this is lot of stickers book. They have all kinds of variety stickers. Very pretty and rainbow color gemstone stickers, very beautiful. And more stickers, autocollants, alphabets. How I love that color combination, 3 color combination. Summer stickers, so many, you can use so many stickers. And we got one more stickers pad. Lot of stickers you can see inside. Never give up. I like this. So many stickers. Wow. And this one is tiny toy skateboards. Looks very cute. And we got foam stickers. Stars, hearts, smileys, peace, flowers. Look at this, happy holidays. So garland, see? Wow, it's a snowflakes garland. And we got some stencils. Beautiful flower designs for wall, very pretty. One of my favorite color, green again. Do what you wanted to do. Wow, more stickers, more stickers. And what else we have? Let me see. Wow, we got puppies. I love these pets. Beautiful pets. We got lot of stuff and lot of goodies. Look at this one is easy on and off. So pretty for girls. All girl stuff. Maybe this is perfect for my daughter. Thank you. And I like that one as well. We have paper pad. Look at this paper pad. Let me open it. Look at this paper pad. What we got. Look at this. Oh my god. I love all the designs and patterns, of course colors as well. I love all the flowers, zigzag designs, polka dots and some beautiful butterflies. Very good. I really love your selection and your ideas. Thank you very much, Hazel. Now I got some lovely and beautiful, wonderful stickers. I like this different kind of stickers. Autocollants, very beautiful. Look at this. And now I got girly stickers. So cute girls. I like it. So these are the two flowers I said earlier. Beautiful flowers and beautiful clips and beautiful card. These are all handmade by Hazel Ure. Very pretty and wonderful Hazel. And we have the last one, mini sticker books. So let me open the sticker books. These are scented sticker books. I wanted to see how it looks like. Let me open and see. Oh, it smells amazing actually. I never expected that these are really scented actually. Very beautiful. And as soon as you open, you will feel the fragrance. Yes. Thank you, Hazel. I love all the books and I will save it for later. And this one also handmade by Hazel Ure. I love that colors, blue, royal blue and green color, very pretty. And this card and this bag was made by Hazel Ure. Isn't it beautiful how pretty that ladybug with cute girl? I love that pink color bag and with glitters. Very beautiful she made it. If you want to get all the goodies, please subscribe to Hazel Ure and she will send you all the goodies if you want giveaway. Thank you for being here and I appreciate your time. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.